Hi Jason, this is your second video. Please try to listen to all these definitions and write down the words, okay? I want you to practice not only the answer, but definitely you need to know how to spell all of these words, okay? So remember the number of syllables and spell the words. I'll give you enough time, okay? Okay, so word number one, to stop and hold a moving object. To stop and hold a moving object. Caught. Caught. Okay? So there's silent letters there for your spelling, okay? So be very careful. Having skin that is white because of illness. Or because you're scared. Okay? If you have very, very light color skin, it's pale. Pale. All the blood goes from your face. Pale. The act of coming or being brought to a place. Arriving or arrival, okay? Arriving, arrival. Moving away from what is normal or acceptable. Moving away from what is normal or acceptable. Deviation. Deviation. So 4 syllables, okay? When you're spelling, you have to have everything. Deviation. The state of feeling or the act of expressing strong, unreasoned beliefs against a group. When you say something bad against a group and you don't know what you're talking about. Okay? So what is the answer, Jason? Bigotry. Bigotry. What is to answer? To answer or to say or write an answer when someone asks you something. Reply. Reply. Something needs to be dealt with immediately. Something needs to be dealt with immediately. Urgently. Urgently. Okay? The front part of your hair or the outside edge of a city. Okay? This is the fringe. Fringe. The first person aware of a particular place or thing. The first person aware of a particular place or thing. Discovered. Discovered. To develop or make something develop. A new structure. When you completely change, your DNA is completely changed. Mutate. Mutate. Used before you mention something that is different than all the rest. You say this word when something is different. Okay? Accept. Accept. So I'll say, I like all animals except for cats. It means all animals are cool, but cats not so cool. Okay? Accept. Accept. To talk about something with somebody. To talk about something with somebody. Disgust. Disgust. If you see something, you pay attention. To see or to pay attention to something. This is noticed. Noticed. Okay, an area where a farmer grows things. An area where a farmer grows things. Field. Field. Able to communicate with mind reading. Okay, able to mind read. Mind read. This is telepathic. Telepathic. So the tele is like telephone. Telepathic. Telepathic, okay? To deliberately not include something in what you're doing. Something or somebody. To not include something. Okay? This is exclude. Like exit, exclude. Exclude. To send something away from your hand by force, moving something through the air. This is through or throw, okay? Throw is present tense, through is past tense. So your test will have through, past tense, okay? Afraid or scared. Afraid or scared. Afraid or scared is frightened. Frightened, okay? And be careful again. Frightened also has many silent letters. Silent letters. So frightened. Frightened, okay? Next one. To say or write something that is not true. To say or write something that's not true. This is lying. Lying. Okay? I hope it's something you never do. Lying. Okay. Giving a penalty for somebody. Giving a penalty to somebody for doing something bad. Okay? To penalize. Penalize. This is punishment. Punishment. Okay? Punishment. You should be able to sound that out with phonics, okay? A mark left on the surface by a person's foot or something like that. So if you walk in mud, you will leave this behind, okay? Footprint. Footprint. Okay? Something in an unusual way. Something very unusual. Something odd. Okay? This is strange. So, this is not just strange. It's not an adjective. It's an adverb. So you have to, don't say strange. You say strangely. Strangely. Okay? There's only a few left. Jason, keep going. Keep going. If you willingly take something from somebody, you willingly take something from somebody. This is accept. Accept. Okay? Be careful. Number 10 is accept, and number 9 is accept. Accept, accept. Okay? So number 9, you have to hear that X sound. Accept. And number 10, accept. Okay? Last few. You go without turning. Going without turning. This is straight. Straight. Feeling sorry for somebody. You feel sorry for somebody without a house, or somebody with no money. You feel sorry for them, or somebody hurt. This is pity. Pity. If you spell this one wrong, I'll be angry, okay? Pity, pity, pity. A person whose job is to check that rules are being obeyed. Okay? A person. Their job is to look to see that everybody is following the rules, okay? This is inspector. Inspector. Again, you can use phonics rules for this. Inspector. But remember, inspector is O-R at the end. Just like doctor. Doctor, okay? Good. I think we're almost done. Is that 28? Nope, there's a few more. An official document. Official document that shows you bought something. It proves a fact. An official document. Certificate. 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 Be careful on the first letter of certificate, okay? Sir. That could be 2 different letters. So you want the C, okay? A car. What's another word for a car? And it's not automobile, okay? We have 3 words. Car, and automobile, and this word. Vehicle. Vehicle. Okay, Jason. I believe that's 28 words. That's 28 words. Do this video until you get 28 out of 28, okay? You can go back and forth, and you can also use video number 1. I want you to get 100%. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.